Hello friends, welcome back to Joyful IT Consultant YouTube channel. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deploy a simple ASP.NET Web API application to Azure App Services. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up that uh, new app service website so that I can publish our simple Web API application. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch I'm going to my Azure portal. Oops, I will go to portal.azure. I'll pick my, so after providing my, so this is my Azure portal. So what I'm going to do, uh, let's see, what is it here? All right. All right, here, whatever you are seeing is my Azure portal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one new app service. So create. So this is already existing subscription, and resource group I would select as what it is, and web app name, what I'm going to name it as uh, Azure Web API. No, it's not there. So test app. Okay, it is there. So Azure Web API test app, it is there. So all right, this runtime stack says select which runtime you want to choose. So this is not definitely core. I'm going to create ASP.NET Web API. That's what we have created in our previous video. All right, so that's good enough. I'm creating a new website and say okay. If you see deployment in progress, once it's get created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish the previously created simple web API application to this website. So it might take a while because this is what it is deploying is not our code. So it is setting up a new website to host our application. So yeah, once it is ready, yeah, deployment is complete. Go to the resource, and this is what we are seeing is this is a dashboard for the newly created website. So you can stop it. It is currently up and running. This is the URL, and I am going to copy this URL so that I can copy it in Visual Studio. uh, so this is the public facing website right now. So this is accessible across world. Azure Web API test application app.azurewebsites.net. Even at this point of time, if it is running, even now you can access this URL. So it is up and running. Right now it says nothing. It is whatever you are seeing is a default page for any new app service that gets created using Azure. Okay, so that is good. Now I am going to Visual Studio. This is the web API that we have created in our previous video. All it has is, see, so what we have included is, apart from the default, we have included this new method, HTTP method, that gives us just some custom message. In our case, it is returning Happy Independence Day. So first of all, let's run and make sure it is working. So This is the method I would like to see it working. So this is working. That's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this debugging, and to publish this web API, I'm going to right click, publish, and okay, let me publish or you oops, to deploy Azure start. Okay, here. So usually we used to deploy on our IAS or maybe into a folder structure. There we will copy and paste into a respective IAS folder. But right now we are directly publishing it to the new website that we have created for this deployment. So I'm going to select Azure and say next. Azure App Service, that is right. So resource group is good. Yeah, here you go. That is my resource group. And here you see whatever we have created, the website Azure Web API Test App. This is what we need to select and say finish, and this will be selected in this drop down. So we just have to say publish. So this is what this is going to do, is it is going to publish this website, whatever the web API we developed, into that newly created website here. So this is what we have created on Azure. So soon as that gets published, we can access that API in this location. So let's wait for that to be finished. So you can see the progress and see it is already saying start web deployment, publish to package this particular. So it is accessing right URL and publishing all the deployment files. So is it done? Almost. This is a simple web application, simple web API application. It shouldn't take that long because it is my personal PC. Obviously, it's going to be slow, and yeah, that's why. Yeah, it is done. So soon as that publish, I think, see, it says publish succeeded. That's why it is pulling and showing us the website where it got deployed. Okay, this is, don't worry, this is deployed here, but we should be accessing uh, as per our knowledge that we gained in previous video. So we should be able to access our web API using API slash values slash, and even this will get us values, not this guy. Okay, API slash sorry, my custom message. So there is some issue, it seems. Let's understand what it is. Okay, I think here I'm missing values. No HTTP resource was found that matches the URL. Okay, maybe I'm missing something. All right, so let's understand this. So what I'm going to do, this is good. We got an issue because we will learn how to troubleshoot issues. So usually we access this API. So I'm gonna copy this guy and I will go to API slash. Okay, maybe something else. Maybe typo issue. So let's see what was the typo I missed. API values my custom message. What was the typo issue? I'm getting that message. So what is the different from this? Are you seeing? Oh, sorry, my custom. Sorry, this is my bad. So I was not accessing it right. Yeah, this is good. That's it. So it's working. All right. So that means we have deployed. So our app service, sorry, our web API is up and running in Azure right now. And even if I am not stopping this guy here, if I don't stop this, even at this time you can access this URL and see it. But I'm gonna stop it anyway in a while. That's it. So hope you learned something new. And so to summarize, what we did is developed a small, we have developed simple ASP.NET Web API and deployed to Azure website after configuring new website using Azure App Services. That's all. So in next episode, what we are going to do is we will consume this Web API which was deployed in Azure in some other application. It can be either console application or some web application. Okay. All right. Then that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. All right. See you.